Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to do a video today. I'm going to show you how to level a pond using a concrete edge. But the way we're going to do it, we're going to use concrete blocks to get the shape, and also going to level the blocks off with the laser, so when it's full it's absolutely perfect, nice and level all the way around. Now, concrete blocks are quite good because obviously the shape of them, so they have a nice straight edge, so leveling them is really easy, and then also it gives a nice sturdy surrounding, and it will stop the ground from moving or dropping underneath. So the way they had it before was just liner over the ground, and then after time it moves a little bit and sinks a little bit, so it gets a bit uneven. So concrete blocks are nice, so help to strengthen the edge, and also you can lay fairly large stones on top. I'm not talking about massive rocks, I wouldn't build a wall off it or anything like that, but just to give it some stability all the way around and to give you a nice straight flat side, the ideal. Okay, so the way we're going to do it, this back edge all the way around up to the waterfall is going to be slightly lower than the front edge. That's because we're using all those stones down there, which are going to be part of this edge on the back, and they're all going to be slightly sunk underwater. So when the pond levels up, you won't see the concrete edge. It'll go slightly over the base of all the stones, gives it quite a nice effect. Then all the pipe work will be hidden behind the stones on that side, and the front edge we're going to use some slate all the way around the front up until the waterfall over there. Okay, so how do we level it off? So basically the concrete block's about 100 mil deep, so we find the lowest points on the pond, which is probably this little area here. So that's the lowest point. So basically we measure 100 mil down from here plus a joint for cement, so maybe about 120 mil to give it a nice thick base, and we'll get the laser on that line 120 mil down from here, and we'll mark out with marking paint all the way around this edge up until where the large stones are going to go, and then from where the large stones are going to go, we'll probably go down another, say, 50 mil from there and dig all that out, and then that will ensure that the stones are a little bit lower than the actual water level itself. Take your time digging out the rest of the pond and keep to the yellow line as best as you can. So best thing to do, or the first thing to do, is get one block, lay it on whichever part you want, ideally on the top section, because the bottom section it can be leveled, but it doesn't have to be perfect because the rocks are going to be underwater, so the water will level that area anyway. So the area where the blocks are on the top shelf, that needs to be perfect. So what we always do, just level one block the old-fashioned way, normal little level, get it how you want it, and then we put the laser level in the middle, and then we laser the top of that block, and then we just literally follow it all the way around. And that way, when it's full, it looks absolutely perfect. Leveling a pond is one of the most important jobs when it comes to pond building. There's nothing worse than spending all that money and time, then when you fill it up at the end it's all uneven, and it will certainly spoil the look. Also, once the blocks have all gone off, you can shape the sides, you can cut them really straight with a spade, just follow the block all the way down, you can get a nice neat edge all the way around. We hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, click on the like button. If you'd like to see some more videos like this, click on the subscribe button as well. And thank you for watching.